Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. Today's video topic is if you are unable to boot your system or you are getting this kind of blue screen error, automatic repair. In this video, we are going to fix it. So click on advanced option, then click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option, then click on command prompt. Now you have to type few commands to repair your Windows corrupted files. So the first command will be sfc /scan now. So this command will repair or replace your Windows corrupted files. So press enter, and this command will take around 3 to 5 minutes to complete. So as you can see, the verification process has been started. So you have to wait for a few minutes. Verification process completed. Now type the next command chkdsk /f c:. This command will repair if you have any error in your hard drive. So type this command, then press enter, and this process will take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. So I will fast forward this video. So the process has been completed. Now cut this window, and after that simply click on continue, and these two commands will fix your boot errors on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This is all for the video. Thank you.